Video tutorial to show you how to publish on Fieldguide. So the first step is to go to Fieldguide.ai. Once you're there, you have to log in or sign up if you don't have an account already. So for myself, I can log in real quick. Once I'm logged in, then you'll see that there's a publish button here. There's also a plus icon in the header, which is the same action for publishing. And you can also drag and drop anywhere on the screen to publish a new figure. And that's what I'm going to do. If you click on publish, you can use the file selector, or you can drag and drop your photos here, or you can just drag it over the screen without having to click the publish button. Once you add your image, you'll be entering a crop screen. Fieldguide ID suggestions get better if the image is more tightly cropped within the square frame. So I'd like to zoom in a little bit here just to kind of optimize the amount of space that the object of interest occupies in that square frame. Then when you're ready, you can click on the checkmark icon, and this will go to your category suggestions. If you don't like the suggestions you're getting, or you don't feel like they're helpful, you can enter a genus or a species name in the search bar and go there, and it will generate new suggestions based on your hierarchical selection. Or you can simply click on one of the suggestions and it will take you to that place within Fieldguide, in this case a genus, and then it will also suggest the most visually similar species matches. In this case, the first suggestion is correct, so if I click that, I am taken to that place, that species within the Fieldguide hierarchy. You can see that I can look at subspecies and the distribution to make sure that it seems fitting that this particular butterfly matches that species identification. If I'd like to proceed to the next step, I click again on the blue checkmark icon, and I'm taken to what we call the pre-publish screen. This is where you can autofill the date and location if your photo has GPS coordinates. You can also autofill the previous entry if you're filling a bunch of different figures with the same locality or date information. This particular tool is helpful. And if you also want to share this particular record to your account on iNaturalist, you can do that as well. So here I have an image. I can add additional photographs of that particular butterfly if there's different angles. It shows that I'm the author. The common name, scientific name are already pre-populated. In this particular case, I don't have a date or location entered yet, so let me just enter Madre de Dios, Peru is the location, and it will show the default location for that particular location. You can also move the pin or enter very specific GPS coordinates if you prefer. This particular specimen is living, and it's an adult, and I'm not quite sure what the gender is, but there's a lot of different details that you can fill out about that particular figure. When you're ready to publish, then you once again click the checkmark icon in the top right corner, and you will have successfully published your figure. So here is what it looks like when published in the main stream. So it will give you the location and any information that you had filled out, as well as information that's already associated with that particular species category. And you can browse other people's posts through the main stream, or you can click on your profile icon in the top right corner and view only your own posts. And you can also browse your posts through category view, which will take you through the cleanly organized category taxonomy. So I can click on animals, and then I can just kind of go in here and kind of see where I've observed different species in terms of its distribution on a map as I click through the hierarchy. That's it.